Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre. Large thunderstorms caused heavy rainfall overnight in places in KZN, the Eastern and Western Cape as well. A cold front is approaching from the west, and although this will bring some rain to the Western Cape on Monday, it's going to result in clearance over the rest of South Africa, resulting in a drier week ahead. Over the past 12 hours, the cut-off low brought widespread showers and thunder showers to the central, eastern and southern parts of South Africa, and large thunderstorms moved over the central and Little Karoo areas as well as the southeast coast in the early morning hours of Sunday. This resulted in heavy rain in places. Port Alfred received 101 millimeters of rain, 36 mils were observed in Elliot, 20 millimeters in Willowmore, 43 in Ladysmith to the west of Oudtshoorn, and in Somerset East a rainfall total of 39 millimeters was observed. Today, widespread showers and thunder showers will continue to affect the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape. Scattered thunder showers over the central Free State as well as the interior of the Eastern Cape. Rain starting to clear from the west, so we could see a few more storms develop in the central Karoo this afternoon. Otherwise, isolated thunder showers on the Highveld and in northwest as well, with the cold front bringing rain to the southwest coast overnight tonight. This cold front will bring cooler weather to the western parts of South Africa on Monday, and also some light rain to the southern and southwestern coastal areas, but it's also going to push weather further east, so we can expect clearance over the central and eastern interior, with thunderstorms confined to the far eastern parts of the country on Monday afternoon. Today's wind forecast shows fresh northwesterlies for the western and central interior, a northwesterly breeze of 30 km per hour in Cape Town, strong southwesterlies along the Eastern Cape coastline later on, and moderate to fresh northeasterlies along the KZN coastal areas, where it's a very hot day today. 37 in Richards Bay, 33 degrees in Durban, a high of 34 forecast for Pietermaritzburg. It's also very hot and humid in the Lowveld with a high of 35 in Bombela. Slightly cooler in Gauteng, 28 degrees in Johannesburg, mid to upper 20s across the Free State, and Cape Town below 30 degrees today with a maximum of 26. Overnight, we're also expecting lower morning temperatures than over the past week. A minimum of 10 forecast for Sutherland, Cape Town dropping to 19 degrees, 14 in Kimberley and Bloemfontein overnight. It stays fairly warm along the east coast with morning temperatures in the low 20s, and Bombela dropping to a low of 18 degrees. On Monday, dry forecast for the central and eastern interior, but we're expecting thunderstorms in Limpopo and in Mpumalanga with light rain along the Western Cape coastline. By Tuesday, rain spreads to the east coast with dry conditions over the western and central parts. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful day.